go, guys. It's a different way to start a video, but I'll tell you what, a lot of you guys didn't know this, but I have a beautiful little commuter car for the 9 to 5. This is my my Justy, and she does have a nickname, the trusty Justy. So I'm washing it right now, getting ready to go on a road trip with Yakima Bait, baby. We're taking Jared's big barge. I don't have to tow my boat, which is right here. And if you guys have been staying tuned on the videos, when I went up to Bruce, I broke a leaf spring. Check it out. Brand new leaf springs. With that being said, the trusty Jesse's gonna go on a long road trip. It's gonna be exciting. Just got new oil in her. Well, she leaks a little bit of oil, you know what I mean? So I just add more, and then the old stuff comes out, and then I just add more. Anyway, we're washing her, getting her clean for the road trip. It's gonna be fun. Let's give her a little rants.
Hello,
it's a 3-cylinder, 5-speed. It's about close to 40 miles a gallon. So I can drive to Astoria and back, because it's the buoy 10 opener. I can drive to Astoria back on 10 bucks, 15 bucks. I don't gotta tow my boat, so now you're having it.
I heard you got a new place. I heard you got a new job. I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me? I heard you got a new name.
Yes.
I hope it treats you.
She's loaded down, boys. Got the rod. Cleaned it out on the inside. Got everything I need for Jared's boat and his trip. Check this out, guys. Plan on doing a catch and cook for you guys. Got all the catch and cook stuff in there. We're excited. Got the cooler. Got onions, cilantro, everything like that. Boom. She's ready. We're gonna hit the road, guys. Catch and cook day 1, day 2, Jared, ocean, buoy 10, day 3, buoy 10, ocean, day 4, buoy 10, ocean. It's gonna be exciting. I think you guys should stick around for this 4-day trip.
When the world turns ugly, we turn inside. Try to find a good thing we can stand behind. All my friends tell me she's the one that got.
Alright, guys, climbing a hill. Heading to Astoria, baby. Today is day 1. I'm doing some jetty fishing, some rock fishing. Hopefully the audio is good. This car's kind of loud. And I'm not connecting my mic, which I bought some mics, by the way. But I got about 3 to 4 hours in Astoria until Jared shows up. And then we're going to stay at Steve Lynch's place over there. And just have a good time, man. That's what this whole weekend's all about. Cleaned up the old trusty Justy. I think I'll be in Astoria in about an hour, 45 minutes. I'm going to go to the Jetty. Hopefully, fingers crossed, in 3 hours I can get it done and find a beautiful specimen to cook up for a catch and cook video for you guys. And because I need to eat dinner. So I need to figure out a way to catch some food so I can eat it. We're going to do some killer fish tacos. I got a couple cool sauces in there that are my favorites. So, coolers in the back. Anyways, guys. Roll my window down, dude. I ain't got no AC. Subscribe. Should be a fun trip. This is just day 1. Day 1's kind of broken up in a whole bunch of little pieces. And then day 2 is with Jared. I also plan on doing a catch and cook off of some of the things that I get with Jared as well, guys. So stick around for that as well. Yeah, let's go have some fun on the rocks, do some bank fishing. I know that's up a lot of your guys' alley as well as it is mine. And let's mix it up. Let's do something different on this channel. So I'll see you when we get there, guys. Alright, what do we got here? I'm gonna rig up my rockfish pole. feeties on. Keep it simple for now. Alright guys, we just got here to the jetty. Super excited. I got one rod, a little paddle tail on there. I have plenty of other things in the backpack, but this is what I'm working with. Drove all the way to the North Jetty in Astoria, seeing if we can't find a rockfish or two so we can cook up some dinner for you guys before I get met up with Jared. This should be exciting, guys. Let me know what you think of the new mic too. Testing that out. We got some good amount of wind right now too, so if you can hear me good, that's a good sign. Let me climb these big rocks. Hopefully we can catch a jettyfish. Got my Lambert feeties on. Oh yeah. Let's get climbing. Need to set the camera down to get up this big one. Ooh, buddy. There she is. Ocean's right there, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Just gonna whip around this swim bait. I'm super far away, guys, but you guys should be able to hear me this far away. Very snaggy out here on the jetties. Very snaggy. This is beautiful though. Just a little better. Keep changing up my presentation here. If I have to, I'll walk all the way to the end of this jetty. Let's cast this way. I'm not a good jetty fisherman, but from wherever I'm standing, I'd like to work a full 180, I should say. There's a sea lion out there. Oh! Oh, that was a bite, buddy. Oh, that was a bite, guys. That was awesome. Look how beautiful it is. Calm. Just nice, just beautiful out here.
Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing you a letter, I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still picking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new job. I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice. Are
Well,
you ever lonely? Do you ever think of me?
just broke my rod.
I heard you got a new man. I hope it treats you right. And before you toss this letter away, there's something
Broke my braid and broke my rod. Well, guys, there is a 2-piece rod. It's supposed to be a 1-piece. I've been here for a half an hour. I snagged for the first time. I lifted up on the snag and it snapped my rod. It's the only rod I brought because I'm fishing with Jared for the next 3 days. So what I'm gonna do is No idea how I'm gonna do it, but I think I'm gonna take some braid and saddle it around eyelets and try to make a rod out of this. I don't know if it's probably not gonna work. But Jared will be here in a couple hours anyway. I was just trying to get a catch and cook out of the way for you guys. This didn't pan out my way because I broke the only rod that I brought. However, this catch and cook will not die. I will catch some rockfish for you guys so you can enjoy this video. For now, I'm gonna put the camera away. I'm gonna enjoy the jetty a little bit, walk around, explore, head to Steve's place, hang out with Jared, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Rest in peace, Guide Select Pro. Twitching rod, no longer available. Come on, tacos. You say little thing?
Good thing, not little thing.
Oh yeah, he's peeling.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, oh, I just got smacked. Oh.
Bravo. Help you. Giant black. Also lean. Still lean.
Get the something.
Here, take it out. Bring your feet. Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, that's a keeper, Link. 22. Yeah, that's a keeper for sure. Don't let him break that jig off.
I'm trying to.
Okay, Daddy,
You know what it was?
Dandy lean, bro. Oh yeah. Let me step on her.
Check it out, guys. Gonna be doing some tacos in the back of the Justy for you tonight or tomorrow. Finally got some black bass. Jared got us on some nice fish on a 20-foot little point right here. And it literally goes from 20 feet all the way down to like 90 feet in a hurry. So it feels good to get some black bass and in an area that not a lot of people fish. So stay tuned, guys. Let's cook it up in the back of the Justy. All right, guys. Oh, buddy. We have our grill. In there, we got our black bass. I'll tell you what, guys, we did not get the job done when I was bank fishing on the jetty. However, I went out with Jared the next day, caught some beautiful black sea bass. We got ling cod, we got all kinds of stuff, and I caught them. So we're gonna do a catch and cook. So I'm sorry it wasn't on the jetty. However, fish tacos are still gonna taste the same, and it's exciting. We have the beach in the background. What a perfect setting. Like if you're gonna cook some fish tacos, why not do it on the beach, right? So I don't have 4-wheel drive, so I actually drove my car all the way to the edge of where the sand is. Beach is in the background. We're gonna cook up some fish tacos. Grab the cooler out. Open this up. Whoo! Look at that black bass right there. Check it out, got some silage sauce. This stuff is amazing. Put a little hot sauce on that fish taco. Let's get that out. Beautiful. Okay. Might need a lighter. Need a little onion. And here, beer batter. Might need some beer batter. That's the best, by the way. Any batter that says beer is a good batter. Cilantro. Avocado. Cilantro, avocado. Got a little onion powder. tartar sauce, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of knife, just some oil to get things going. Might need a beer, boys. Might need a beer. We can do some cooking. Here we go. Black sea bass on the beach. Look at all them ingredients. Amazing. Boys and girls, look at all these beautiful ingredients. Out here on the ocean, the smell of that ocean air, everything's so great about this. We're gonna literally fry up this taco. It's a beer batter. I got gallon bags. We're gonna mix the batter in there, dip the fish into that, and we're just gonna get cooking. It's amazing. It was a super calm day, beautiful day out here in the salt. And I tell you what, I couldn't be happier. And I'm glad you guys are enjoying this. Hit that subscribe button. Nothing like bottom fish tacos. That's the best you can get. Lay it down like that. Leave that skin on. You'll see why I did that in a second. Now you just take your knife right here, that skin being on, you just run your knife right down the edge of it. And what you do here is take this silver skin off. See that? Trace a knife right around that, get rid of all those bones. And that's how you take care of that. All right, guys. So we're gonna take this contraption, screw it on, screw this bad boy on. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now, get out the stand. This comes with a nice little stand. You just set it in there like that, and you got yourself a little stove. Isn't that sweet? Just took it out of the box. Gonna dump this beer batter into this gallon bag. There we go. Took care of that. Now, we got one for the fish gods. Check it out. A little bit for the fish gods. Dump it in there. You want to get the right consistency. So I have a little bit of mixing spoon. Mix it up in that bag real nice. I'm gonna have to add more beer, I can tell you already. Get a good consistency on the batter. I forgot a bowl, so there we go. We got our batter. We're gonna take our fish. I dried them off and everything. We're gonna put them inside the batter. Make sure there's no scales on it when I'm doing this. Perfect. No scales. Perfect. I'll close the bag up. Yeah, buddy, close that bag up. Just kind of mix the fish around in that batter a little bit. Kind of bigger chunks, just kind of lay them in that fish taco, just like that. It's gonna be plenty of onions, a little bit of fresh avocado. that, guys. Look at that. Just gonna leave that just like that until I'm ready to grab it. Perfect little slices of avocado that are gonna go in there. So what you wanna do here, guys, put a nice layer in the bottom of this pan. That looks pretty good. And then I'll take that avocado that I got ready there, take my tartar sauce I got ready. I got cheese even. I got cheese, I got cilantro, and these little taco shells, guys, make perfect little fish tacos. So nothing wrong with a fish taco on the beach, man, let me tell you. This is some cool stuff, man. So I'm gonna lay some taco shells out. I'll probably make 2 or 3 of them because this is like my lunch. We just got off the ocean, did a killer time out in the salt, man. We had a killer time out in the salt, man. Basically killed 6 kings. Lingcod, rockfish, crab, like it was great. Fishing with Jared Higginbotham's been awesome, guys. This video will probably be out first, but stay tuned for those other videos. They're coming, I guarantee it. They're gonna come within a few days of this video, and it's gonna be fire. Fishing with Yakima bait is one of the coolest things. This is gonna be great. Once the battered fish gets done, I'm gonna put some onion powder on there. It's gonna be awesome. I love me some good onion powder and hot sauce. Oh my God, if you guys have never tried this, a little place called Carol's Corner in Vancouver, Washington makes, well, they don't make it, but they introduced me to Sylogy sauce. I always get it with my eggs and stuff there when I sit down for breakfast. Oh, smoked habanero, buddy. Smoked habanero. This is some good stuff. Anyway, just cooking in the back of the Justy. I think that oil's just getting about there. Drinking a beer for the fish gods. If you guys don't know who the fish gods are, when you're having a bad day, that's who you pray to. Bad day in the salt, bad day on the river, you pray to the fish gods. And they help. Some days they heed your call, you know what I mean? They really do help. Sorry about the traffic, guys. This is kind of a popular area. People are looking at me like, why the hell do I have 2 cameras in the back of my car? But I tell you what, they ain't living like I'm living. They are not living like, this is a Subaru JUSTY 94. This thing is, I can't say bad words, but it's bad ace. You know what I'm saying? I think that oil is just about hot enough, guys. Let's give her a rip. Let's give her a rip. Oh, before I give her a rip, one thing about it, I don't know where all those wet napkins came from, but thing about it, I'll set up a little station to lay my fish when they're done cooking. There we go, guys. Tell you what, guys, this is super nice when you just get to come out here, catch some whitefish, and cook it right on the beach. I mean, it's hard to beat that, man. I mean, this is what I enjoy in life, and this is the type of stuff that I'm raising my kids up to be, and I think that a lot of people should do more stuff outdoors. You know, food tastes better when you're cooking outside, when you're camping, when you're enjoying things, and you're just happy and you're healthy in the outdoors. And being in the outdoors is healthy. It's healthy for your mind. It's healthy for your heart. It's great. So I applaud everybody who does these kinds of things. Turn this bad boy off. Oops, wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, if you guys didn't know that. It's time to set up the tacos.
Hello, Liza.
Grab a piece. That's what we're gonna do, guys. Got the taco right here. A little sprinkle of cheese. Just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Take some cilantro. A little bit of cilantro. Take a little bit of avocado.
I heard you got a new job. I heard you got a haircut. And it looks real.
Okay. What else do we need, guys? A little bit of onion powder, because I love onion powder. I think it goes killer with it. On this one, I'm just going to do the habanero sauce. I don't think I'm going to do tartar sauce. Let me shake this up a little bit. I'll do a dab of tartar sauce. Oh my gosh. Just a little dab of tartar sauce. A few little pieces of onion. Now you have a fish taco. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish taco. Time to eat. A little bit of cheese, a little avocado, hot sauce, tartar sauce. Don't care what anybody says. This is how I enjoy a fish taco. Mmm. That hot sauce, bro. Guys, fresh avocado. Talk about eating good lunch. Comment down below, guys. Let me know. I got it all over me, don't I? Practicing. Let me know what you guys think of my little recipe. I like a little kick. A little onion powder. A little habanero smoking flavor. And some tartar sauce. Cilantro. I mean, let me know what you think, man. This is actually really good. It's got a kick to it. It's great. My favorite way to eat fish tacos. That avocado. Fire. Fire. Also, comment below if you guys want to see more Fish in the Odds catching cooks. Well, that taco's gone. Time to make another taco. Can't even explain how good this is. You know, if I were you guys, I'd be jealous. If you guys could taste what I'm tasting through the screen now, fire. One thing about it, there's some bees in my car right now. They don't like me. Little fish taco. Well, that's gonna conclude the video for you guys. We caught them with shrimp flies, mostly, with some lead jigs on the bottom. And yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see more catching cooks, let me know. I'm gonna eat a couple more tacos and then get back to the beach house. But I appreciate you guys for tagging along. I think this video is gonna be killer. I think the food's killer, and I think you guys should hit the like button if you like it, and comment down below anything you might want to change about my fish taco. Maybe you know something, maybe you have a better recipe than I do, and maybe you want to share that with me. Comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll see you on the next one. I'm actually going to go walk the beach for a few minutes. Then I'm going to head back to the beach house. That onion salt too, by the way. It's killer. Tight lines, guys.